Now I'm literally in my pajamas right now. I had to take a step outside to see where I'm at because did I just wake up in Greece? This looks too amazing. Too okay. No, I had to catch it. No, I know I did not just wake up in Greece. I know I didn't just. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know I didn't just. Bro, ain't no way. Alright. So only one way to find out. See.
Huh.
Baby, I'm tripping. Are we in Greece?
Baby, this not Greece. This South Africa.
Welcome to my new house.
We are at the Santorini Resort in Ballito, KZN. Okay. Yes, so first opening, you see this is giving all the vibes, the artsy, the earthy, the beach resort, right? Okay, so first right here we have a dining table and some chairs. Then it opens up to the living room. Come on, Mama, come sit. And we chilling in the living room, huh?
Yeah.
Show me how you be chilling. Cause the whole vibe is giving beach vibes, right?
Yeah.
You do this. You do this like this, you know. Like we bathing in the sun.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
it's like in the beach.
This is like the beach, right?
Yeah.
Yes, but we want the beach to the house.
Yeah.
And let me tell y'all something right here. Y'all hear this? Baby, that's that real wood, okay? This ain't no build-up wood workshop, right?
Real wood. Absolutely love this sectional.
Y'all already know. When we go somewhere, we want it to feel like our home, okay? And baby, listen, the sectional has been amazing. We have been able to all sit together as a family, watch a movie, look at the sea, at the backdrop, and listen, it's giving beach vibes, but at home. We love it. And y'all already know I'm a writer, right?
Yeah.
So y'all know I love little corner nooks to sit the kids down, go sit down and go read
And
the
go
book.
and sit down. And sit on my...
Show me how you read the book, Mama.
Okay.
That's how you read your book. And scoot over, scooch. And so when you're sitting right here in your little reading corner, you know, you look out the window and you see Greece. But you gotta remember, it's South Africa. And y'all already know, around here we don't play all that negativity, okay?
That's that
Now,
negativity.
tell them, Mama. Tell them the negativity.
Yeah, the magazine.
Because we block.
Yeah, we block.
We block. But one of the ways that we can tell if the space and the energy is right for our family is the plants. Because, baby, the plants not going to grow in bad energy. The plants. Look at the plants. All this good energy.
And look at eyes.
In the eye. Mm-hmm. Soak it up. Good energy. Now, we are visiting Ballito during the season where we don't even have to worry about the air conditioning. But for on those days when it's hot, you have one.
Okay. We cooking. Oh yeah. This is a real spacious patio. I really enjoy this location. It gives you an opportunity to come out here and vibe. Let's take a look around. Let's go. Yeah, so you got this really Nice size table right here. Anytime you feel like you come out here to get you a nice bite, you can definitely do it. Look at how much space we get to have when it's time to eat. Might have to show y'all how much food can literally pile up on here, right? It's a feast. You have all this sitting space right here. You also have more sitting space right here. It's the stone part right here. It gives that real Greece vibe, but you gotta understand, we're not in Greece. Right here, you guys, is a curtain. So anytime you get like crazy wind breeze, rain, or even the sun beating down on you, and you wanna come out here and just relax, and you start pulling this down like you on a boat, hey, you good to go. You come over here, you get to sit down, enjoy the ocean breeze right there. It's a really nice, beautiful view at that. Yeah, take your girl, your wifey, whoever you with at the time, enjoy the sunset, sunrise, and yeah. So other than that, this is a real good spot to come and chill, relax, and especially with the family, come out here and get some family time out here too.
Y'all a little Airbnb tip. I always like to reach out to the host before I book because I need them to know this is a family. This ain't a frat house. This ain't a sorority house. We coming as a family. Baby, listen, look at this. She'll say, baby, I got you. We have a picnic basket. Okay? Bring your children some lunch on the beach. Every family wants to have a full-size kitchen. It may feel like we in Greece, but we don't have to sacrifice the size, okay?
Okay.
Full-size kitchen, okay?
Okay.
We have a microwave.
A microwave.
We have a stove.
A stove.
With an oven.
An oven.
A refrigerator.
A refrigerator.
Or just go ahead and tell the people everything else we got, huh? I see. We have a full range of appliances, a soda steam, a NutriBullet, a toaster, a kettle, espresso machine, air fryer. Okay, everything. Okay, everything.
Okay.
And it's packed with, what's that?
Pots.
And it's packed with pots. Everything you may need.
You hear them? All right, y'all, let's go check out the kids' room and see what's so funny. Let's go see. Yo, what's happening? What's happening?
Hey, welcome to ours.
Are you okay? Yeah, that's why I'm staying. Where I go. I'm out.
We have comfy beds, a nice view full of green, luscious trees,
And some trees.
and we got dumbbells that the host left for us.
And some
I don't want to bring them out because I don't want to flex on you guys.
Even we have a lamp. We enjoyed the view because it was the best because we can open the windows. This faintly reminds me of something. It reminds me of the air painting. Look, right here. Now you see, let's move on to the next room.
All right, you guys, so let's get more into the house. Right? We saw one bedroom already, so we're about to actually get into the back rooms and go see bedroom number 2. This is pretty interesting. Check it out. Right off the back, you have your twin beds, right? 2 of them pushed together to make the king size. I'm a big dude, so can you imagine? You feel me? Can you imagine? You can really get some good slumber up in here. I really do like this wall painting here. They have the sugar cane, y'all. Sugar cane here in Ballito is like really top picks. Like you'll see this just about anywhere when you're driving. So I really like this, and it's my favorite color. Now, one of the things that I was kind of a little nervous about when I came in here was these chairs. Let me show you. I wouldn't sit in this because for one, it looks like one of those chairs that you just put on display. I really like the skin, but it's the belt. I don't know. It's like I saw some very decorative art before when it came to being creative with decorations, you know, like furniture and whatnot. This one right here, I wouldn't. But it's nice, it's different. This is a good picture right here of nice representation of where you're located here in Ballito. Also, you have the view that also complements this picture as well. And I had to take a long look at this horse painting here because it's an illusion, y'all. It's not 3 horses. It's literally about 4 or 5 in this picture. You just gotta take a look and see. And you have your nice sitting area right here. You have a desk, so maybe this is when the chairs do come in place. Here, so I wouldn't, y'all, but for y'all, I'm gonna sit in one of these chairs, right? I'm gonna choose this one. This one have the belt buckle too. It's kind of loose. It creaks, cracks. But anyways, it's good though. You also have your lamp right here. And as you're sitting down enjoying yourself in this room, you have a nice, beautiful view. I really do think this room has its nice qualities. You got the nice light fixtures here, nice light fixture here. These fans, y'all, in every single room blows.
I need y'all to know something about the Demouchets family, okay? If the bathroom is nice, we're comfortable. If the bathroom not nice, may not be there too long. But thankfully, we don't have to worry about that here. Look at the sink alone. What? The wood is giving Shaka's rock. That's what it's giving. I love this stone. Peaceful. When you wake up in the morning, you gotta wash your face, you gotta brush your teeth, wash your hands. That alone just says peace. Listen, little close. Ballito. This ain't Greece. This South Africa. And I absolutely love the shower. Look how beautiful it is. Like a rainfall. It gives you those vibes that you are outside. You know when you come from the beach and you have to shower off before you get in your car? That's what it's giving. Who needs to go to the beach when you're here? And there are gold fixtures throughout. Love it. Now if you like bedroom number 1 and bedroom number 2, you're gonna love bedroom number 3, the primary bedroom. I love that they have a writing desk. Y'all already know what I do. And I can get up and just sit right here and type my little heart away while my husband could get to sleep peacefully. Okay, because y'all already know he be complaining. Talking about I be typing. He just mad because he don't have my typing speed. That's all.
You punch the keyboards.
And it comes with plenty of closet space. Closet number 1, extra pillows, extra covers. Closet number 2, very spacious. And y'all already know I can't reach up there, but they got more. And here's your private balcony. And I love this part right here, y'all. Woo, king size bed. But I love this part right here. You know, you need to see what you're looking at, like my grandma. You know, but you need her little reading glasses. Get your little reading glasses. Open your little Bible. And what I love about this home is that the host gave every room its own vibe. Look at this. Not too much, but just enough. And now we are going into our second bathroom. This bathroom has a tub. It has a wooden sink again with a bigger stone. Listen, y'all. This host was very intentional with all of the fixtures and the art pieces. It just gives that vibe of being home, but being on a resort at the same time. It's like you're home away from home. It's gonna be hard to leave. I just love art. We are a family of artists. We all have different art expressions, and this is the perfect wake up moment. You know, in the morning when you're just looking at yourself in the mirror. First of all, look at the light. Everything was very intentional. Absolutely love looking at myself in the morning and just being in this space. This space just screams positivity. Love it. And again, there's more gold fixtures, even the brush gold fixtures. Absolutely love it. This is the bathroom that has a tub in it. Very romantic. Love it. A bubble bath with some champagne. Absolutely love the finishing touches on the wall. Santorini.